A conflict between Texas and Biden administration, which controls Texas' Mexican border, continues rise this week because federal authorities want to access a popular corridor enters Border Patrol agents of state once again. This comes in response to recent Supreme Court decision, allowing the court to dismantle a wire barrier along the border, allowing legal war initiated by Texasfended. In response to this decision, Texas Governor Greg Abbott issued a letter that Texas has the right to control the border and that federal government control has replaced it. Abbott's accusation that federal government violated Constitution by breaking compact between United States and states. South Carolina's 1860 separation declaration almost same. Moreover, Abbott's letter adopts Eve's theory of constitutional law, known as compact theory ılan, supported by Confederation President Jefferson Davis, which was made popular by Confederation states during Civil War period. This theory argues that United States was formed through a compact accepted by states and that federal government constitutes creation of states. However, this view, authority federal government, not consent people, widespread social contract theory, common social contract theory, the High Court constantly rejected compact by seeing constitutional law as illegitimate and incompatible. At essence of those on southern border. Following question lies: does federal government have authority to regulate access to borders of Texas? Texas embrace compact theory and state governments claim that federal authority could replace federal authority directly contradicts case of McCulloch, Maryland. Shortly after approval of the Constitution in 1788, a national controversial debate about necessity of a national bank emerged. Years later, in 1819, Maryland could not pay a state tax given to bank. Maryland claimed that federal government deprived authority to establish a bank, because Article 1, also known as necessary and appropriate substance of Constitution, argued that it is not explicitly mentioned in Chapter 8. This article lists power given to the U.S. federal government by Constitution, providing, maintaining a navy, laying taxes, collecting taxes, establishing posts, ways. He tried to claim that nothing was clearly listed. On other hand, Chief Justice John Marshall gave a seminal view by calling a necessary and appropriate substance to confirm authority to follow targets within scope of Constitution. Instead, Marshall stated that article allowed Congress to look for a target while using powers listed in Constitution unless Constitution forbids this goal.Adapted. But everything that is formed by letter and spirit of Constitution. Since McCulloch and subsequent Supreme Court decisions, state laws have been found to be a national government forces beyond the access of state intervention. Although immigration control and border have not been explicitly numbered in Chapter